Marketing is often misunderstood as just advertising. Let us look at what it actually means to connect a product with a customer. At its core, marketing is the process of creating, communicating, and delivering value to people who might want what you offer. Most experts use the 4PS framework to ensure a business covers all bases when bringing something to market. Marketing is not just about making a sale today. It is about building a relationship that lasts over time. While they work together, marketing casts a wide net to build interest, while sales focuses on closing individual deals. Modern budgets often lean heavily toward digital channels because they allow for precise measurement of how well ads perform. This simple distinction helps clarify why both functions are necessary for any healthy business to grow. Understanding marketing helps you see behind the curtain of consumer culture. Check back for more basics on how the economy works.